Welcome to Masood this year, Winrest32 Sidekick production number 3. Now you see this is a mini PC, and then you see it goes to the next one. It's an iPad tablet, and the next one is Windows 10 tablet. So anything I ring here, you can see here, I change it. Actually, I'm ringing this thing on a main machine, so it's moving from main machine to all these three machines together. This is the beauty of it, and you can see it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's a real time. So I ring a Coney Island, go with the modification, and I have slice, no tomato, add cucumber, dressing, delivery, and you can hear the sound of my tapping and in this machine. So all these machines are going at the same speed as I am ringing in. So this is a Winrest program we have, and I move from here to the iPad, and I move from here to tablet. In the restaurants, when you order a drink, lots of time you see small, medium, and large. Now I cannot show my cell phone. We have a further down to a small, medium, large, and a PV, like a PVX, the smallest X you can have. And then I can have this display attached to another one, and I can show it on a 42-inch or 65-inch large screen. I can have as many screens I want, and they're all independent and all run by different people, the one same PC. But this production show you furthermore. So this is what we have, and I'm going to move it to show you what else we have. We have a printer. This is a very, very nice state-of-the-art printer. And the feature you have in this printer, you cannot see in any printer. For example, this printer at this time running Winrest, and it is not connected to local area network hardwire. Let's show me how it is connected. So I'm moving it 360-degree angle, and you will see there is a wire. So now see the printer is on the Ethernet. Fine. But this Ethernet is not coming from my network, not coming from my hardwire router. Here you see a mini PC. It's a true Intel. It's a true Intel inside, and it's also I can call it the world smallest PC, which has VGA and HDMI output. Because lack of space, I cannot show you this, but trace down this wire and you see where the signal is coming from. So you see this is a Wi-Fi extender, and Wi-Fi extender means the Wi-Fi is receiving the signal, giving the signal to the printer. Okay, there's no hard wire around. You can see it. I can show you around. There is no hard wire Ethernet coming. Everything is coming to the Wi-Fi extender, and from Wi-Fi it is connected to that. I can connect this printer. This printer has three interfaces. Okay, it has on the back, you can see it has a USB, it has what we call it serial port, and it has Ethernet, and then you have a drawer connections. Now the printer power supply is separate, but it is housed in the printer, so there's not too many wires going around. Okay, and I'm going to show you something back to here. I'm not a good producer. My things are very, very limited. Let me stop it for a second, please. Okay, the reason I stop for a second because I want to show you something. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use the small tablet. I show you here. Small tablet is going to be my remote now. So I am working with my small tablet. Let me turn the lights off, I think. Let me stop it again. Okay, so you see here, I'm working on a small tablet. And I make it so you see, as soon the order goes, it will give you a beep sign, and the beep sign will remain there until I pull the paper out. So if you are in a kitchen, so this is the way the kitchen order is. You can see it later. So now I place another order from my remote tablet. Okay. And then I send the order back and I pay and I finalize the thingy. So you see, everything is working in a super high speed. The speed you cannot imagine. It's a tablet, or it's a tablet. Let me show it here. So you see a tablet. Now, because it was not touched, so it is off and it's back to the screen. So you can see it's a tablet, or it's a main, or it's an iPad, or whatever it is. So you can see I can go breakfast, 2 egg modifiers. I says go this one, go this one, go this one, and I go this one, and I says bill is $20. I pay $20 cash. So you see it, the speed on this thing is incredible. and speed the count. Now, I like to show you one more thing about this thing. If I can turn around, you see that this is the printer. It's printing all those things. Now see here, it's 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 my processor. Now my processor is attached to this USB. I pull it out. Now you can see this processor, and you can see this. Now I like to show you that you see the bracket here. This processor watched. Now the whole thing looks like all in a one unit. Now all in a one unit basically start from $2,500 to $3,500 a piece. But one of the advantage we have, say for example, something goes wrong with the processor. I can give you the processor, you can swap it, and you can swap it in a matter of a second. No repair. Absolutely, these items is throwaway. You have $3,500 terminal and something goes wrong with the computer, and that's not abnormal. This has happened all the time. The processor stopped working. Then you have to spend so much time on a troubleshooting and a repair, and when you cannot do it, you have to send to the shop repair, call the technician. All these things can take between 24 hours to 2 weeks returning time. Doesn't matter what kind of a guarantee you have. In this one, you simply replace this processor, and it is so cheap. For $200, I can make you a duplicate processor. That's your insurance. Anything goes wrong, you just replace the processor. Now, just keep in your mind, if you have extended warranty repairs, most of the extended warranty repair costs you between $700-800 to, I know some of my customers are paying close to $2,000 a year for maintenance, repair of the hardware and the software. This eliminates that. You don't need. So what happened? Anything goes wrong, don't try to fix it. As it says, don't get mad, get glad by replacing the unit. Now I come back here and you can see my things here. I took extra large egg and I paste cash. Now this will tell you how fast our Winrest32 with the Sidekicks production number 3. Have a nice day, and I hope you will like this video. Thank you for watching. My name is Masood. Any information you needed, you can call us 586-709-0218, on my cell 586-795-5355. So any inquiry you want to have about, or if any one of you are interested to going into the production, I will be glad to provide you information, and I can make this one, that this little one which I have made first time. Have a look. It's an 8-inch tablet, and I claim this one to Winrest32 World of the Smallest fully function POS system. Thanks again for watching Winrest32 Sidekick production number 3. Have a nice day.